Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change brakes on a Dodge Avenger. First, gather your tools: a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a socket set. Make sure you have the correct new brake pads and rotors for your vehicle. Always work on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Safety is paramount, so wear appropriate protective gear throughout the process. Once the vehicle is safely supported, loosen the lug nuts before lifting the car. After raising it and securing it with jack stands, remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and remove the 2 caliper bolts, then carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. You can then easily remove the old brake pads and the worn rotor from the hub assembly. Before installing new parts, clean the hub surface thoroughly to ensure proper fitment. Slide the new rotor onto the hub and secure it with a lug nut to hold it in place. Use a C-clamp or a brake caliper compression tool to push the caliper piston back into its housing. Finally, insert the new brake pads and carefully reattach the caliper, tightening the bolts to specification. With the new brakes installed, reattach the wheel and lower your Dodge Avenger to the ground. Fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm, which restores proper brake fluid pressure. Then, take a careful test drive at low speeds. Check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.